Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can create audiobooks using some of the different ebook platforms that the university subscribes to. Now, first of all, you just need to get onto the Student Hub. So I have then selected the Library and IT homepage, and from this point I need to see all of the different ebook platforms that we subscribe to, so select Books and eBooks. From this point, you can then scroll down until you see the eBooks button, and this will then provide you with a list. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate all of these collections, but a lot of these different ebook platforms have a way that they can get the text read out to you. A lot of these will be built-in functions, and you can see that on one of our clinical key videos that we have access to. But today I'm going to demonstrate eBook Central, the EBSCO platform, and VLEbooks. Now, I'll actually start off with VLEbooks as this function is built into the system. So just click on that, and then once it loads up, select the Access eDatabase button. You will be met with a login screen, so make sure that you always select the Open Athens login, and then you can find the university from this drop-down. And if you search for Lancashire, it will then pop up with University of Lancashire. Now, from this point, you can search or you can browse to any last read or have a see what kind of books we have access to on this platform. So I'm just going to select one of these books, and now I need to select the Read Online option. You then have a table of contents down the left-hand side, and you will have different options built into the books. So you are able to select items, you can highlight, you can make notes, and you can sort of bookmark those options, or you can also have it read aloud to you using the inbuilt speaker option within the system. And you can see that it has start reading, and you can then it will start from the start of that page. Other books on this platform may give you a slightly different view when you select the read aloud option, so I'll just show you that as well for another book. So I've selected the read aloud option, which is always a little speaker icon, but this time it has the option to autoplay. You can rewind forward, but you also get 3 little dots to give you more options, so you can change the playback speed if you wanted to have it faster or slower. Now I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing using eBook Central. So first of all, I just need to head back to my list of ebooks on the Student Hub, and then select eBook Central and click the button to access database. You need to ensure that you are using the Microsoft Edge browser, as we are going to be using Immersive Reader, which is built into the browser, and you can see it along the search bar at the top of the screen. It says read aloud this page. We will be using that function. To enable that to work on the books, first of all, you need to head into your profile and change the settings to enable text-only mode, and then just agree to the terms and conditions and click Save. So my profile has now been updated, and I can then search various different ebooks, or I can use some of my recently viewed. So I will select one of these for ease. You need to then select the Read Online option, and the way that the book will look will be very different because there are now no pictures in this book. So I'm just going to select one of the pages, and from this point I can now use the Immersive Reader option. So I need to click on the capital A with 2 lines next to it, and it will start reading at the top of the screen. So you can see that it's then highlighting the part in the text that it's going to read to me. Now, there is no function in this to have it read continuously. You will have to move to the next page and then repeat the process. However, this is a way that you are able to get this content read out to you whilst you are studying. Finally, I'm going to show you the EBSCO ebook collection. This also uses the Immersive Reader option, so you will need to ensure that you are still using the Microsoft Edge browser. So again, I'm just going to jump back to my eBooks page on the Student Hub, and then this time select the EBSCO ebook collection option and click the button for access. Again, you have the option to search for a book, or you can use one of the highlighted options, which is what I'm doing here. You can download the book in here, but to use the Immersive Reader feature, you need to read online. So if you scroll to the table of contents, you could select any of these chapters. So I'm just going to open chapter 1. To have this read aloud, a good way to do it is to highlight part of the book and then select the Immersive Reader option. And then it will start reading that book for you. And as this is a continuous platform, it won't stop until you pause it using the buttons built into the Immersive Reader option. I hope this video has been useful. If you have any further questions, then please contact us at subjectlibrarians@lancashire.ac.uk. Thank you.